2024 Toyota Sienna. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light or the maintenance light. We're going to be using these buttons right here, the up, down, left, right. The OK button is kind of like an enter button, and then maybe the back button right here. So just these buttons. I'm going to go ahead and get closer to the instrument cluster to get a better view. Everything's done in the center right here, so push the left or the right arrow button and see where you're at up on these menus on the top. We're going to go all the way to the gear, and then we're going to go down, all the way down to vehicle settings, push and hold OK. Now you should be in this menu, and then we're going to go down again. You got scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance. Oil maintenance is when you get your oil change. Scheduled maintenance is like, you know, if you have like a schedule for like a rotation or whatever. So we're going to go to oil maintenance, push and hold OK. It'll say, do you want to reset data? We'll go up to yes, yes, and that is it. You push OK to hit yes, and then you just hit the back button. And then if you have a scheduled maintenance, it's the same thing. You just go to that if, you know, air filters or rotations or whatever. Then you just hit back a couple times to get back to the main menu. Push left or right to get whatever display you want on there. And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. You can shoot me a sub if you want. That'll help me out. I'm trying to reach 100K subscribers. Thanks for watching.